Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the speakers. You want no live voltage while working. Once done, remove cables and mark them with tape so you know where everything goes back. Use a screwdriver or nut driver to open the enclosure and take photos as you progress. This preserves orientation. If you expect to desolder a potentiometer, heat the iron and prepare a multimeter. Make sure to work on a stable, well-lit surface with ESD precautions to protect circuits. Locate the volume potentiometer and trace where its wiper, input, and ground connect on the PCB or harness. You then decide whether to remove the pot entirely, replace it with a fixed resistor to set a permanent level, or bypass it with a jumper to force full volume. Choose based on whether you want a fixed lower level versus full loudness. If soldering, heat the joints, pull the wires cleanly, and solder the replacement jumper or resistor. Make sure all connections are solid and insulated. Reassemble the enclosure carefully, reconnecting marked cables to their original positions, and only then power on the speaker system. Start with the source at a low level and play a test tone or familiar track. This reveals clipping, hum, or unexpected noise. Measure output with a multimeter or listen across the range to confirm the fixed level is acceptable. If problems appear, reopen the unit, inspect solder joints, verify the resistor value or jumper placement, and ensure grounding is intact. This troubleshooting step usually finds the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.